Very good morning to our listeners. Hope you all had a great evening. A quick look, starting with the Asian session of what we've seen so far, was the Chinese trade balance numbers, which came out higher than expected, as too did import and exports in the breakdown. They also released their CPI and PPI numbers, which came in line at 2% year on year and minus 1.6%. The composite itself in mainland China finished the session up 0.5% as those participants now take a week-long break in light of the Lunar New Year holidays. In terms of Japan, we did close the day down around 1.8%, underperforming its peers in Asia, so pretty much a full retracement now of the large around 4% pop that we saw on Wednesday after those announcements from Shirakawa that he would step down earlier than anticipated. Overnight we did see a bit of strength into the Japanese yen as well, which did also weigh on the export stocks in Japan, and that yen strength has been a real big theme so far here in the European morning. Dollar yen itself has traded in excess of over a point losses. We have had various technical selling, stops tripped on various levels below 92.50. Also talk of a major tier 1 US bank selling in large size in dollar yen. And fundamental news came from Japanese Finance Minister Aso, who said the recent weakness in the yen has been too fast. All contributing factors into some of the yen's strength that we've seen across the board as we head in toward the North American Open. However, one caveat to keep in mind is that it seems as though his comments have been taken somewhat out of context, as the Ministry of Finance in Japan has come out and officially said that they have paid note that the yen has weakened at a fast pace, but that was not unexpected. So price action has bounced slightly, albeit dollar yen still down around a point or so at the moment. Elsewhere, the calendar pretty quiet in major economic data. We've had slightly softer than expected trade balance come out of Germany, and in terms of the EU budget talks, for the moment they are still ongoing, so still yet to see a firm conclusion to that, but it should come later this afternoon. And for the US session, trade balance will be the highlight on the calendar. That though pretty much concludes the opening wrap for me here in London, so wish you all a great trading day and a fantastic weekend.